everybody, welcome back. So today I have a Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale haul for you, and so I'm just gonna jump right in and show you guys what I picked up. Victoria's Secret, and let me just show you what they look like. And so yeah, my store didn't have out the semi-annual sale bags yet, but yeah, it is what it is. I feel like I always get these kind of bags. I don't mind them, but nice little totes and cooler bags and things like that on sale, and they were only $9, so you know your girl had to pick up at least one of them. So I picked up this little pouch here, and this is actually a little backpack. So I'm gonna just go ahead and unzip it for you, let you see how it looks. But normally this thing retail for $58, and I got it for $9. Super cute, and I really love these things now that I am a mom, because I always wind up carrying everybody's things, and sometimes I don't want to take a big bag just right off the bat. So this is nice that I can just put this down in my purse, and if I need it I can pull it out, you know what I mean, or I can even leave it in the car. So this is what it looks like when it's open, and the idea is you put it on your back like that. So, or you could even hold it like that. I think it's like, I don't know. I was going to use it for a backpack. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a tote like this, and that's even cute to me. But I was thinking it would work still as a backpack. So, I don't know. I also got one of their coolers, and it just looks like this. And I had seen this one earlier when they were advertising this for, if you bought something for $80, I believe, you got this tote for free. I got it today for $9, and I'm super excited about this. Let me go ahead and open this and let you guys see how this thing is, if you haven't seen it already or if you don't own it. It actually looks like it is 2 totes in one, so that is amazing that you could probably, oh yeah, it unsnaps, so you do have 2 totes in one. Good deal for $9. So yeah, and this part is the cooler right here. So if you wanted to, you know, you could take this if you wanted to, but I'll probably carry it as a combo. So that's a little cooler, and that's how it looks on the inside. And so yeah, I really like this thing, guys. That's how this one looks. So again, if you just wanted to take a tote, I like how it has a long strap on it. So yeah, guys, I did wind up picking up 2 of their candles. I got 2 of the pink candles, and they just look like this. And I just thought the packaging was really cute on this one. This is the Pomelo Zest and Guava, and it smells really good. It kind of just smells like a nice watermelon, I don't know, some kind of tropical. I guess guava is tropical, but just a nice tropical fragrance. Good for summer. So I picked up 2 of these, and they were $18.50 with half off, so $9.20 each. Yeah, good deal. And then I picked up, oh, they gave me a 20% off a single price item, and this starts July the 10th through August 1st. So I'll be using that for something. With this, oh my god, this is just a little sweatshirt. Hope you can see, but I love the details on here. Can you see those like ruffles on the sleeves? This is so cute to me. And so I picked this up in a medium, so I wanted it kind of big. Guys, I have lost so much weight. I'm like down 20, almost 25 pounds now. So yeah, I'm borderline medium small, so I can still wear this and it not look too big. I wanted it to be big so it could be comfortable, and I can wear another shirt under it. So I got this shirt, and to go with that, I picked up these shorts that I was able to find. Oh, if I didn't tell you, this shirt was $29.99. This, and they have those ruffles. Can you guys see this? They have these ruffles on there, and I thought this was so cute. So yeah. And originally I went for the medium, but that was not working. So I had to go with the small. Can you guys believe that? I can't. So yeah, I'm in a small. I haven't been in a small since before I had my daughter. So yeah, and that's like, she's 8 now. So yeah, anyway, so this is how they look, and I thought they would look really cute with the sweatshirt. You know, if you out like at the movies or whatever, or out late at night during the summer, it gets kind of cool. Or even like a rainy day. It would be so cute on a rainy day. So yeah, got that. And then guys, I picked up some of these, what are these called? Knockout tights. I love these. I don't have any, but I always admired everyone else's, but I would never spend, what, $60 for some. And today I was able to find some. Yeah, these are, I got them for $39. So, and then I had the 30% off coupon. So yeah, not bad. And so this is what they look like. It's kind of that ombre effect, so I really like these. Cute. And these are medium, but they still fit me really well. They were pretty tight, so I don't feel like they're gonna slouch on me. Like some of my pants right now are starting to slouch, so I need it. And I also found one of these t-shirts, and guys, this is an extra small. I can't believe it, but this was an extra small, and this was $9.99. And so yeah, it just looks like this. I just like the v-neck. I'm actually wearing one of these pink shirts right now, and these are so comfortable. So yeah, I got this. Hopefully I find at least 2 or 3 more. I'll go to another store maybe in a couple days and see if I can find at least 1 or 2 more of these, because I really love those shirts. They're so comfortable. It's $14, and it just looks like this. It's like a little sport bra, and it has the clip on the back, which I thought was really nice, because you guys know that most sports bras you have to pull over your head. Oh, you still got to pull this over your head, but I guess it's not as tight. Okay, they kind of tricked me with that one, because I was thinking, oh, you don't have to pull it over your head. You could just put it in one, you know, on your, like you normally put your bras on. But yeah, okay, so that's what that looks like. I've just been going really simple with the underwear. I did get these kind of wild one. They are just some cactus. So this is what they look like. I thought these were super cute for summer. So yeah, I got this in another color too. So yeah, I got these in the peach. And the peach are a little bit different. They don't have the, if you can notice, they don't have the lace at the top. So that's what the peach looks like. Just has the band at the top. Yeah, I really like these. And then I got a plain black pair, because you know every girl need a black pair of underwear. So yeah, here they go, just black. And then I got these little daisies, and I started to get 2 of these, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna do it. So yeah, and the underwear were $3.99. Okay, so the next things that I'm going to show you are just a couple things that I picked up maybe like a week or 2 before the actual sale started. So let me just show you what I got. They have ran a sale where you could get the mask for $1. I got the spa one. I got the Let's Glow. I got the Hits Reset. I got the Let's Pre-Glam. So I got 2 of those. And I did already use one of these. Can't remember which one I did use, but I did like it. It was nice. So I would actually buy these again, and I'm glad I picked up so many. One of their beach, actually, I guess it could be a beach shirt, but this is actually a gym shirt, and it just looks like this, and it says do it for the gram. I think that's what it says. Yeah, do it for the gram. So cute. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, definitely go and do that. I post on there. I'm trying to get better, you guys, but I post on there some things that I don't even post on YouTube. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And this was $10 that day. And I also picked up some of their undies. Now that day I did not hit the 8 for $28, but it was like 5 for or 6 for $28, I think. So I got these, and these are in a medium. Yeah, but these are in a medium. And then I got these in a small. Super cute. Yes, so cute. Okay, so I got some of these, and you guys know these are like, I wouldn't wear these with like you know, out anywheres, but I would wear them to bed or something. So I got a couple pairs of these. So actually I only got 2 pairs of these. I got a black pair and I got a white pair. I really like these though. They were like sparkly, like they're just like boyfriend, kind of like a boyfriend cheeky short. I don't know what they call these, but they're super cute. So yeah, that's what they look like. And let me show you. I got the white pair, and these, I really like the colors in these. So yeah, so cute for summer. You see that? I think you can. So that's what they look like. There's the back. And guys, I did pick up 2 other bras. They were running 2 for $40 that day, so I got 2 bras. And this is a 34B. So yeah, I don't have big ones. Got kind of little ones, but I'm happy with what I got. So yeah, that's what the back looks like. I really like this design. Can you guys see that? I hope I'm holding it up correctly. But yeah, I like this design on there. And I just thought they were so cute. So I actually did find the panties that go with them. These are the panties. And that's what they look like. And they have a little thong on the butt there. So cute. And again, this is a size small. So yeah. And then I found these in case I just want to wear them and I don't feel like wearing a thong. I have these. And then I got this floral pair here. And that's the back. Looks like that. And this is the front. Super cute. So guys, that is all that I picked up from Victoria's Secret. I hope that you have enjoyed this little haul. If you have, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.